Have you ever wanted to master microcontroller programming but felt overwhelmed, struggling to build embedded systems from scratch? What if you could go from beginner to advanced in just 45 days? Hi, I'm Ashraf, part of the educational engineering team. With years of experience in microcontroller programming and embedded systems, we've helped thousands of students develop hands-on expertise. And now, we're here to help you. In this 45-day PIC Microcontroller Bootcamp, you'll learn the fundamentals of PIC Microcontrollers, how to write, compile, and debug programs, practical, hands-on projects that bring concepts to life, advanced techniques like working with peripherals, timers, and interrupts, real-world embedded systems design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this course will equip you with industry-ready skills. You'll get step-by-step guidance, practical exercises, and real-world applications. Past students have gone from zero to designing their own microcontroller-based systems in just weeks, ready to become a PIC microcontroller expert. Enroll now and start your journey today. Click the link below and let's get started.